Embarking on a journey to the United States as a tourist opens the door to diverse culture, breathtaking landscapes, and vibrant cities. However, before you can set foot on American soil, obtaining a tourist visa is essential. The first step in this process involves determining your eligibility, and the most common visa for tourists is the B2 visa, specifically designed for recreational travel, tourism, or visiting friends and family. Once you have established your need for a B2 visa, the next step is to complete the online form DS-160, which serves as your visa application. This detailed form requires specific personal information, including your travel itinerary and the purpose of your visit. Ensure that every detail is accurate and truthful, as discrepancies may lead to complications during your application process. After completing the form, you'll receive a confirmation page that you must print, as it will be needed for your visa interview. Following the completion of the application form, it's time to pay the visa application fee. This fee varies depending on your nationality and the type of visa you're applying for, typically around $160. Payment methods can differ by country, so it's crucial to check the local embassy's website for options. After the payment is processed, make sure to keep the receipt, as it will be a requirement for your interview. The pivotal moment in your visa application journey is the visa interview. Schedule your appointment at the nearest U.S. embassy or consulate and prepare the necessary documents to present. Commonly required documents include your passport, valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended stay, the DS-160 confirmation page, the visa fee receipt, and a passport-sized photo. Additionally, it's beneficial to have documents proving your ties to your home country, such as employment letters or property ownership, to demonstrate your intention to return after your visit. During the interview, remain calm and confident, as consular officers assess your intentions and eligibility. Be ready to answer questions regarding your travel plans, the duration of your stay, and how you plan to support yourself financially while in the U.S. If everything goes well, you may receive a visa approval on the spot or shortly thereafter. Once issued, your tourist visa will allow you to explore the incredible sights and experiences that the United States has to offer, facilitating an unforgettable adventure. Traveling is an exhilarating experience, and visa requirements can often complicate your travel plans. Fortunately, many countries allow travelers to visit without a visa, or offer a visa on arrival, making it easier for adventurers to explore new destinations. Several Caribbean islands, such as Barbados and St. Lucia, welcome tourists without the need for a visa. Here, palm-fringed beaches and crystal-clear waters await. Imagine sipping a refreshing drink under the sun, while feeling the warm sand beneath your toes. The vibrant local culture invites travelers to immerse themselves in colorful festivals, tantalizing cuisine, and friendly interactions with locals. In Europe, countries like Albania and Montenegro offer visa-free access to many nationalities. Picture yourself wandering through ancient ruins, sipping coffee in quaint cafes along cobblestone streets, or hiking in breathtaking national parks. Each country boasts its own unique blend of history and natural beauty, promising unforgettable discoveries. Travelers to Southeast Asia can rejoice in the ease of entry to destinations like Thailand and Indonesia, where a visa on arrival simplifies the journey. Envision exploring the lush landscapes of Bali, with its rice terraces and cascading waterfalls. In Thailand, the bustling streets of Bangkok and the serene beaches of Phuket offer an amalgamation of urban life and tropical bliss. In Africa, countries such as Kenya and Madagascar present enticing options for visa-free travel or visas on arrival. Imagine embarking on thrilling safaris in the savannas of Kenya, witnessing majestic wildlife in their natural habitats. Alternatively, Madagascar invites exploration of its unique flora and fauna, with the chance to see lemurs and other endemic species that can be found nowhere else. For those seeking adventure, South America offers countries like Brazil and Colombia, where a welcoming atmosphere and vibrant cultures await. Picture the colorful streets of Cartagena, or the breathtaking views from the Christ the Redeemer statue in Rio de Janeiro. These destinations offer a perfect blend of history, culture, and stunning landscapes that promise to leave travelers in awe. In essence, the world is filled with incredible countries waiting to be explored without the hassle of visas. By choosing destinations with visa-free access or visas on arrival, you can focus on experiencing the beauty, culture and adventure that travel has to offer, making memories that will last a lifetime.